Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a potato hair mask. These are the ingredients that we are going to use for this potato hair mask. Here is the ginger. We are going to add ginger to it. It's my garlic, and this is white sesame. You might be hearing about sesame seed. There are two different types of sesame seed, the black sesame seed and the white sesame seed. Today I choose to use the white sesame seed for this hair mask. We are going to use the sesame seed milk for this potato hair mask. Here is the honey which we are going to add into the hair mask, and this is my grapeseed oil. Alright, okay, the first stage, we are going to peel this potato and cook it. So after cooking, we have to blend it with all these ingredients. Before we go into this video, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, thank you so much. Please feel free to join the family by clicking on that red button to subscribe and put on your notification bell so that I'll always be notified each time I upload a new video. This channel is all about DIY, how to keep your hair healthy. So this basin is what I'll be using to put the sliced potato, and we will wash it. Okay, so before we start, let's get all these things out of the way. Okay guys, as we are preparing our hair mask, let me tell you more about all these ingredients. Potato contains vitamin B, C, zinc, niacin and iron. These nutrients nourishes the hair follicles and can promote hair growth. Excess oily hair can cause hair breakage. High amounts of starch present in potato juice can extract all the excess oil present in the scalp and follicles, allowing the hair to grow properly. It also prevents hair fall and makes your scalp free from dandruff. Honey has both emollient and humectant properties, making it a greater hair moisturizer. Honey helps to restore the natural luster of your hair and keeps it shining. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates hair follicles and encourages hair growth. Then when it comes to garlic, raw garlic is known to be rich in vitamin C that is great in promoting hair health. It also boosts collagen production that helps stimulate hair growth. Garlic has an antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E. These vitamins helps in promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Sesame seed, oh my god, this sesame seed is not only good for skin but also for hair. Sesame trigger hair growth by nourishing the roots with their rich omega fatty acid content. It also helps in moisturizing the scalp and improve blood circulation to rejuvenate hair follicles. And coming to grapeseed oil, we all have heard and seen grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is used as a natural remedy for baldness. Grapeseed oil promotes healthy hair growth and acts as a natural dandruff treatment. So with all these explanations, I believe that you now understand the reason why I put all these ingredients together in making this potato hair mask. So right now it's time to boil the potato. You need to slice the potato in smaller shapes so that it can get done in 10 minutes. If you slice in bigger sizes, it will take long to get done. So this potato has to take you like 10 minutes and it will be done. So you should be checking the potato and know when it's soft. So when you notice that the potato is already soft, then you put off the heat.
Don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know.
Remove the potato from the pot. Do not throw away the potato water because we also need this water in blending the potato.
You got time and you know what
The next one is blending the sesame seed. I just need half of the bottle of this sesame seed. So I added the sesame seed into my blender, added water to be able to blend it. So you need to add water to the blender so that you can be able to blend the sesame seed very well. If you did not add it water, it will be a bit difficult for you to blend.
She left her home to find where she belongs.
So while I was blending the sesame seed, I noticed that it's getting thicker in the blender. So I off the blender and add more water to it and start blending again.
She got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come.
So after blending, it's time to sieve. This is the stockings that I bought. I bought these stockings newly because I've been using wig cap. So stockings are usually used to sieve things that you need watery, like aloe vera or anything that any DIY that you need to come out watery. But if you needed your DIY to be thick like cream, you shouldn't use stockings because the stockings, the holes are too tight, so it only sieve out water. Okay, but if it is something that you need to come out creamy, you have to use another sieve or use wig cap. And another thing with this stocking is that it doesn't cover my plate, so I have to bring this funnel to be able to add the inside the stockings. Okay, so this is what happened, and after that I start pressing out the milk because what we need is sesame seed milk.
Don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. She left her home to find where she belongs.
If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't hit the like button, sweetheart, what are you still waiting for? Please give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay, you can see that I am trying so hard to give you guys a very interesting video and a DIY that is going to keep your hair healthy, moisturized, and also boost the hair growth. This thumbs up help my channel and also let YouTube to know that you guys like my video and they will recommend it to other people to watch.
All too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything.
So after adding all the ingredients into the blender, I started blending everything together, and as I'm blending it, I noticed that the potato is getting thicker, so I used that potato water which we did not throw away. I add more water. As it's getting thicker, I'm adding water into the blender and I'm blending it to get the consistency which I need. I don't want to put too much water. I don't want it to be too watery, and I also don't want it to be too thick so that my blender can be able to blend it very well.
Just wait, I will find you someday.
Yeah guys, this is the final stage. After using this wig cap to save this potato, it didn't take out all the particles. There are some tiny particles that was left inside it because wig cap, it also has some tiny holes in it. So but I have my own way of removing any tiny particles on my hair. But I will advise you, if you have any better sieve that is going to help you to sieve this thing and also allow it to come out creamy, not to be in watery form, you can choose that other sieve in sieving this potato hair mask.
She got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday.
So after sieving the potato hair mask, I added the honey and the grapeseed oil and turned it very well. Then I put it inside my container, which I use in applying on my hair, because putting it in this container makes it very easy for me to apply it on my hair. So after turning it into this container, I applied it on my hair. I wanted to show you guys how I applied it on my hair, but I have a lot of videos on my channel how I do apply such DIY on my hair. My camera battery couldn't take me to that extent. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope you love this video. Please, if you have any question, you can drop your comment on the comment section, and I wish to see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.